a to the power n, b to the power n, n greater than equal to 0. So it is having epsilon also, ap, a2, b2, a3. You know that whenever you want to accept epsilon, what you do? You make initial state as final state. Okay. So you will make initial state as final state. Now by getting a, I will go to next step. When you got the first symbol, the stack will have z only. Replace z with z and a. Now for next, from this question onward, I will use the same symbol as the stack alphabet so that you people not get confused. Okay. Now by getting again a, I am going to Q1. Any number of a, top of the stack, if top of the stack is a, replace a with a, replace a with a. So this way you will get any number of a. Now you will get b, the top of the stack will have a, replace it with epsilon. Now again you will get b, the top of the stack will have b, sorry, the top of the stack will have a only. Again you got b, the top of the stack will have a, replace, pop it. Now string will get exhausted, replace z with z and accept it. And accept it. Epsilon, I have to accept epsilon, that's why I make initial as final. Now when I am getting any number of a, I am pushing on the stack, I am doing push operation on the stack. Now if this you have inserted on a, push on a, now you got b. When you got b, if it is correct input, then in the top you are going to get a, pop it, pop it, pop it. When you are getting b, top of the stack a, pop it. Now string will get empty. So epsilon we used to say that string is empty. Then replace z with z, accept it. Is it clear? Clear? Now for this question, I will try to accept by empty stack. How to accept this by empty stack? I will be there only epsilon by getting z now I will try from in next diagram. Next, not here, I will try in next, not here. So I think that you are done with the writing. Now this I have done acceptance by final step. Now I will try to do acceptance by empty stack. Okay. Now in acceptance by empty stack, since I have to, in acceptance by empty stack there is not going to be a final state. So what you have to do, you have to accept, final state is not going to be there. So you have to accept here this by, if you have to accept epsilon, you will get epsilon in the beginning, you have the top of the stack will be z, you have to empty the stack, you have to empty the stack. Now again if you will get a, again if you will get a, now for a also you can, in the beginning, if you want to accept epsilon, you accepted it. But if you, when you want to accept ab, when you want to accept ab, for this also you have to give transition. So when in the beginning if I give a, then the top of the stack will be z, you have to replace z with za. Now this is not allowed because this same state by getting null and same top of the stack you have given the transition, but the same state by same top of the stack you are trying to give an input for a. See the difference? That's why I have taught you all these things in the beginning, the theory. Why it is important? Because it's saying that acceptance by, in case of epsilon move, it's saying that when you want to accept epsilon, in case of empty acceptance by empty stack, what you have to do, you have to make the stack empty. So the top of the stack is having z, so you have to empty it, so you pop that. So you got epsilon, you pop the top of the stack, you accepted that. Okay, now you want to accept AB. Now for this you will get A, then the top of the stack will be Z only in the beginning. Since you, this state you have already given the transition of null transition for the top of the stack Z, then for the same top of the stack and for same input, so then for the same state and for same top of the stack, you will not able to give transition for any other input alphabet. Am I clear? So for a to the power l equal to a to the power b to the power n greater than equal to 0, तब भी नहीं दे पाएंगे. आप लूप में भी देंगे तो आप तो ये ट्रांजिशन दे नहीं सकते ना, आप ये ट्रांजिशन दे ही नहीं सकते. अगर कोई स्टेट का आपने नल ट्रांजिशन दिया है कोई टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक मिलने से, ठीक है, कोई टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक था, तो आप उस सेम स्टेट का सेम टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक के लिए आप कोई और इनपुट के लिए ट्रांजिशन नहीं दे सकते हैं। देखिए इसलिए मैं यहाँ बताया था, कहाँ है ये पॉइंट नंबर, मैं इसलिए बोला था ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट है। देखिए यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है, इफ डेल्टा क्यू बाय सीइंग सम empty that null string on some state b, it is not empty, then q on seeing some input alphabet on the same top of the stack must be empty होना ही पड़ेगा। देखिए प्रैक्टिस कर करके हो जाएगा, ठीक है, और टाइम लगेगा, हो जाएगा, समझ में आया ना। देखिए यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है, अगर देखिए यहाँ क्या बोला, अगर कोई एक स्टेट को आप नल ट्रांजिशन दिए हो, कोई टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक के लिए बी के लिए यहाँ दिए हो, तो उस सेम स्टेट को और सेम टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक के लिए आप कोई और इनपुट अल्फाबेट के लिए ट्रांजिशन नहीं दे सकते, ठीक है। अगर देना चाहते हैं तो टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक को चेंज कर दीजिए, तब आप दे सकते। सो वी हैव सीन दैट so for a equal to a to the power n b to the power n greater than 0 is not for that. So for this we will not able to so for language this we will not able to give acceptance by empty stack, acceptance by empty stack नहीं दे सकते, लेकिन फाइनल स्टेट दे सकते हैं, acceptance by empty stack, ठीक है। From this we can conclude, बस देख के आप 2 सेकेंड में आंसर दे दोगे, जैसे आप इसके लिए देते थे रेगुलर के लिए। For this we can conclude that language accepted by EPDA by empty stack is a strict subset or proper subset. Strict subset and proper subset both are same, or proper subset of the set of languages accepted by a EPDA by final। देखिए, so from this we can conclude that it is very important. From this we can conclude that accepted by deterministic push down automata, I am saying in terms of deterministic, not in terms of only push down automata, okay, in terms of deterministic push down automata by empty stack is a strict subset or proper subset of set of language accepted by deterministic push down automata by final state. It means there will be some language that will be accepted by deterministic push down automata by final state. By final state it will get accepted, but by empty stack it will not get accepted in case of deterministic push down automata. Please keep in mind I am talking in terms of deterministic push down automata. For deterministic push down automata, acceptance by empty stack is a subset of acceptance by final state. But it is your gate previous year question, very important. But in case of PDA, acceptance by it is your gate previous year 1 marks, but in case of PDA, acceptance by empty stack and but in case of PDA, acceptance by empty stack and final state, but in case of PDA, acceptance by empty stack and final state, both are equivalent. Both are equivalent. But in case of PDA, acceptance by final state and empty stack are equivalent in power. Are equivalent in power. So, but in case of PDA, we can give a both. If I am giving a PDA for empty stack, then I can give a PDA for final state also. Okay, but in case of PDA, acceptance by empty stack and final states are equivalent in power. Why I am saying in case of PDA it is equivalent? Because in case of NPDA, these two are equivalent. Empty stack acceptance is equivalent with final state. For all empty stack, we can give a final state. And since for anyone, if I am able to give a, then we can say that for PDA we can give it. Am I clear? But in case of PDA, acceptance by final state are equivalent in power. In GATE exam they have asked, but in deterministic it is not equivalent. L equal to A star. It is having epsilon, A, A2, A3. You know that it is a regular language. You know that it is a regular language for which you will able to give a acceptance by final state. If you are getting accepted, done. Now by getting A, the top of the stack will J, you replace with J. See, don't push the symbols until you don't require to match with anything. Here, if you are getting any number of A, why to push A on the stack? Always replace J with J, J with J, J with J. Here you have to always have to do the replacement. But since you know here you don't require to store A because you are not doing to match A with anything. So whenever you are getting any number of A, just remain in that state, that final state, and replace the top of the stack with that only. Any number of A you are getting, replace Z with Z, be there. So it is acceptance by final state. Now try to do by acceptance by empty stack. So when you will get A, the top of the stack will be Z, you have to empty the stack. Okay, you have to empty the stack. So it will be empty. So single A you have accepted. Now again if you will get A, again you are getting A. The top of the stack is empty, and I have told you we require here both Q top input as well as the top of the stack to give the transition. Since the stack is empty, you will not able to give a transition. It means 2A, triple A, 4A you will not able to accept because you can't give again for A. So that's why for some string acceptance by empty stack is not possible. In case of deterministic push down automata, I am saying more than once that I am talking in terms of deterministic push down automata. Deterministic push down के ही टर्म में दोनों इक्विवेलेंट नहीं है, एम्प्टी स्टैक एक्सेप्टेंस और फाइनल स्टेट के, लेकिन पुश डाउन ऑटोमाटा में दोनों इक्विवेलेंट है. ठीक है ना? क्लियर है सभी को?